Hi, my name is Rob Haswell, and I'm the Executive Director of the Placer County Visitors Bureau and the California Welcome Center right here in Auburn. I'm urging you today to join me and vote yes on Measure F. A lot of times when we see a tax measure on the ballot, we think it's coming right out of our pocket. So this is the exact opposite of that. What this is folks that are coming into our community and visiting and using the city's services, they pay a small hotel tax that helps offset the cost of what they're doing in town. Residents and businesses don't pay a dime. Our quality of life here in Auburn really depends on the city providing great services like fire protection, police protection, park maintenance, and roads. His tax will help offset the costs of those ongoing protections. Measure F will change the current hotel tax from 8% to 10%, which brings us in line with all the neighboring communities that have recently done exactly this. If passed, Measure F would generate $162,000 annually that would go right into the services that continue to make our community the great place that it is. Help support your community and vote yes on Measure F.